Right, we're here with the Rocket Bull and Cook, just showing you how to light the cooker. So just a bit of bush material.
Well, that's smoking good. That didn't take long.
Once you get your fire going, just put the plate in the front, and then your bush sticks will sit on top there. And just feed your fire from the front. Once you get your fire going, then you can put your windshield on. Just make sure it clips on.
That's a good flame.
So now your fire's going, you've got a good flame there. Just keep feeding your bush sticks in. So we're going to do a cook with the hot plate today. So you can use hot plate, wok, frying pan, large pot. So we'll get this warmed up and then we'll throw some food on there and we'll carry on with the video. Right, that's been about 10 minutes and the plate's about 300 degrees, so we'll throw some sausages on.
Leave the bacon off for a while.
Yeah, we've got a bit of bacon and some eggs and tomatoes to go on shortly, so we'll cook the sausages for a little bit and throw the rest on. Right, time for the eggs. Right, that's lunch cooked, so that's all done within half an hour. And with very little fuel.